Why not add that designer touch to your garments by adding embroidery to your jackets, your trousers, your skirts, your sleeves? You can go absolutely crazy with the beautiful ideas of adding embroidery to any part or any panel of your garments that you are making for yourself, or even taking it a step further and to actually create it into a business and offering it to clients or part of your online collection. So this video is just to show you the Brother NV800, how it basically just did some embroidery to the machines, as well as the old Galaxy 3000. So let's have a quick look. It's a very fast video just to show you what the embroidery machine looked like, what it did, and some garments made up with the embroidery. So why not just add that extra zest to your garments as well? Being a fashion designer, I absolutely love creating new garments and new designs, and I would love to share more and more of, designing, sewing, the business, sewing for fun, as well as, turning this into an absolute business. If this is the kind of content that you absolutely enjoy, then please give me a thumbs up, share, as well as press that subscribe button down below so I know that I'm on the right track, that I can just give you more and more content all around the fashion and sewing world. Until next time, enjoy your sewing.